But what's crazier is Oppo's F21 Pro. Yeah, the one that one's been flaunting. We bring you the trend-setting, industry-first fiberglass leather design along with a flagship IMX709 selfie sensor, or what we call the no filter needed sensor. I already sensed that follow-up question of kitne ka hai, boss? The Oppo F21 Pro goes live on the 15th of April and is priced at 22,999. And it's Judwa. The Oppo F21 Pro 5G comes with a mesmerizing dual orbit lights and a 64 megapixel AI triple camera. It's available from the 21st of April at a price of 26,999. You're not entirely done yet. We also have for you the all-new Oppo Enco Air2 Pro. There's a smiling in two beautiful colors and a transparent bubble cover. Stunning, huh? It's got a 12.4mm big driver with a customized independent rear chamber. These come with cancellation, which tune the world out and tune you into whatever's your jam. This phenomenal piece of tech is coming soon at the price of 3,499. Stay tuned to our social channels for more updates. I see you've made it till here, and here are some exclusive offers to help you flaunt your best.